Morning, students. This is your counselor, Ms. Narcisse. Today, we're going to be talking about coping skills. Coping skills are strategies that we all have to help us deal with tough situations or tough times. We might have hard feelings to manage or feel like situations is out of our control. Coping skills help us manage those feelings and feel better about our situations. Why do we use backpacks? To carry things, to keep our things organized, and so we know where things are. What else? A backpack is like coping skills. When we go through a tough experience, we can open our backpack of coping skills and pull out a strategy that we need. When we know of coping skills and what works for us or helps us deal with tough things, we can pull them out of our backpack when something else hard comes up. We already know they're in the backpack because we've practiced them, and we know they will help us manage our feelings. What is in your backpack now? What do you do when you're going through something hard? What helps you get through tough times? First, let's practice buffalo breathing. It's a form of deep breathing. Buffalo breathing. Take a deep breath in through your mouth. Blow it out slowly through your nose like a big buffalo huff. Shake out your shaggy mane. Try this a few times. This is a great coping skill to use when you feel like your feelings are too big to handle. Taking time to slow down your breathing can calm your heart and mind and allow you to think about what you need to do next. Our next coping skill to practice is giraffe journaling. Imagine you are a tall giraffe high above the situation. From your high perspective, look down at all the things happening. Write about what you see, how you feel, and what it's like for you to go through this experience. Now you can use your journal to write about what you see in the situation, how you're feeling, and what it's like for you to go through this experience. Our next coping skill is parakeet positivity. Pick a positive affirmation that builds you up. A positive affirmation is something that you say to yourself that builds yourself up or fill your bucket. Here are some examples. I can do this. I can overcome hard things. I'm a strong person. What are some other affirmations you could say to yourself? Parakeets sometimes learn to talk. They repeat things they've heard other people say. So just like a parakeet, I want you to practice repeating your positive affirmation. The more you say it, the more you'll believe it. Pick a positive affirmation that builds you up and repeat it over and over. Our last coping skill we'll talk about today is chimp chatting. Find a buddy, family member, or other adult who you trust and you know care about you. Chat with that person about how you're feeling and the experience you're going through. Talking with someone who cares about us can help us feel connected and less alone when we're going through something hard. What's in your backpack? So now that we have 4 strategies in our backpack: 1, buffalo breathing; 2, giraffe journaling; 3, parakeet positivity. And 4, chimp chatting. Students, I encourage you to practice these skills now so that when tough things come up, you'll know what to do. Remember, your backpack when you need an idea on how to manage your feelings and experiences. Again, this is your counselor, Ms. Narcissus. Have a wonderful day, students.